Hey everybody, Gulf Coast TDC here. Got a quick unboxing, first impressions for you. You saw the thumbnail, so you know. So this is the Lundquist 5-slot pry on. This is from Urban EDC. So yeah, let's get into it. This came in a bunch of different colors. So you get some stickers here. I like stickers. So you get crispy clean, I want to say Krispy Kreme, crispy clean grinds. So that's cool. And just the Lundquist knives and gear. And let's check this thing out. All right, so a bunch of colors. I went with the blue. I like blue. Purple was pretty neat, but kind of nice. This one's kind of, it's pretty deep on the blue. You can see that it's almost purple in places. Hopefully that's coming out in the video. But a little blurple action going on in here, some of the edges. Yeah, so you get a nice little pry bottle opener. Oh, that's nice. It does have the slots right there, right? So I think it's called the 5-slot pry. So that's nice. You can feel it. It's not aggressive or anything, but you can kind of feel it. I'm right-handed, so those slots aren't really going to help me so much because if I'm prying stuff like this. But I guess if I'm opening bottles, I'm okay. If I'm gonna pry, then it will come in handy, I guess, because it'll be like right here. Now this I think might be a nice direct replacement, because now on my keychain right now I carry the Kershaw, I forget the name of this thing, 8800 maybe. Just had it forever, and I think I paid like maybe $7 for this thing back in the day, so earned its money 100 times over. So I always use this guy, but it'll be interesting to see. So we basically have kind of the same things. The only difference is this has got like supposed to be like a screwdriver back. I think I've used it once for something like that. It'd have to be a pretty big screw for you to use that as it. But similar in size comparison though. Very, very similar. So I feel like I'd probably switch over and just, keep on trucking. But yeah, Urban EDC has these, $70. And they have them in different colors, regular, I think stonewashed titanium, the blue, the purple. I think there's a black one maybe. I can't remember. I thought there was a green, but I could be wrong. Don't quote me. Just check out urbanedc.com. They have great stuff anyway. But yeah, you can see there's a nice little purpling back here around the ring. Really nice. Nice quality. You can see the thickness and everything. That's going to be good. Really stoked about that. Yeah, but 5-slot pry. Check it out on urbanedc.com. $70. I don't think you really go wrong with that. Real reasonable and a very nice piece. So yeah, what kind of pry do you guys use? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you hanging out as always, and I'll see you on the next one.